Okay, welcome to this training. This is ZLT M30S LTE. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so it comes packaged. You have it, and you have a your SIM card. You have to register it, and then slot it in. You open. You also see a cable for charging the MiFi, MTN MiFi. For those of us seeing this for the first time, I've been teaching about the other one. You have this. Okay, this is MTN MF927U router. Okay, and this is the M30X LTE. So they are the same 4G router, 4G MiFi. They are the same 4G MiFi, see 4G. But I've talked about this. You can watch my other videos to know how to use this. But for those of you seeing this for the first time, or who went to buy MTN MiFi and you are given this, there's nothing to fear about. Nothing to fear. So to charge this, when you get it, you can charge it. You have the same sign for battery. You have the signal strength. You have the internet connection, and you have the mail. When you have this MiFi, you have the login details here. You see the log, though this one you can't see it because it's already worn out, but you find login details for the MF927U here. But for this, you can't see any details here. So to get the login detail, both the password or the Wi-Fi key, you have to open it. So when you open it, you can see you have the SSID, okay, that ends with 776, and you have the Wi-Fi key, okay. So these things are hidden under the cover. So in case you have it and you want, so the password is C0C01A05. That's the Wi-Fi key to log into it. And this is the battery. Okay, it's rechargeable battery. You can replace it. Okay. Okay, so you have the battery. Okay, so this battery is replaceable. And then you see the SIM card. This is where you put in the SIM card for this MiFi. Okay, you can also see in case you misplace this MiFi key here, display the MiFi key here, you can also see it written here. Okay, the same thing here, the same thing here is also repeated here. So you can see these are the login details again, the Wi-Fi SSID. Okay, so you see all these login details here. Okay, you can see even the website password, which is admin. The user is admin, the password is admin. Okay, so and it's different from this one, where it's only seen on the surface. So let's put it back. So it's there now. Now to turn on this. See the turn on button, the power button here. You just press this, hold it, and then you see the battery light is on. The signal strength is still showing orange light or amber. You can call it amber. Okay, the internet has shown. It shows that you have mail. Okay, so this is how to power it on. You can turn it off by pressing this. You hold it, and they're off. It's off. Now I can charge this MiFi by connecting. This is the charger. You can connect the charger, put the charger here, and then you get the charging head. Okay, you put it. Okay. Okay, you can connect it to this socket. There should be light. Okay, that's good. So it's charging. You can see it's charging. There's another way. If you are using laptop, you can be working and connect it to your laptop. Yeah, this is the laptop. While I'm working, I can just connect it here to any USB. Okay, and I'm working. It's charging while I'm working. I'm doing my work. So want to connect to this to my laptop. So you move to here, the Wi-Fi, and we've detected it. So this is it. So you click on it, it will ask you for pass connect. You click on connect, you provide the password. Okay, so we provide the password. Okay, you click next. Okay, it's connected. Okay, it's connected. So you can browse with it. Okay, it's working. Okay, 192.168.0.1. Okay, so you have it. You log in with this, and then it asks for username and password. So you have the MTN broadband 4G MiFi ZLT M30S. So that's for username and password. The username is admin and the password is admin. Okay, you log in. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Okay, so this is how the dashboard of 4G MiFi ZLT 30. This. If you want to know the number of this phone, you just click my number. Okay, see the number. So the number is there. This is your number. How to know your number? Check your data balance. Okay, your data balance is 10 MB expires. This MiFi bonus, you have it giving you a bonus of 30 gigabytes. Okay, So can do more, just similar with what you have on the MTN MiFi MF927U. I hope you do enjoy the training. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Bye.